1. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. This camera is designed to produce a good and high quality video result. It is also complete with 20,1 MP 1-inch sensor, so you do not have to worry about the result's quality. This camera also has 2 focus mode, manual and autofocus. It also comes with 3 inches LCD screen which can be turned around. This camera also has a Wi-Fi that comes along with the camera, so you can transfer your videos and photos directly to your smartphone, PC, laptop or your other devices. Two. Canon EOS M6 Digital. If you are looking for a small camera that has a sharp and high quality video result, this Canon EOS M6 Digital is a perfect piece for you. This camera is also complete with 24,2 MP CMOS sensor and digic 7 image processor. It also comes with this combination feature that stabilizes our video result. It also comes with a Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth. In addition, it only takes 2 hours to charge this camera. Three. Canon EOS Rebel T7i. This EOS Rebel T7i camera is complete 24,2 MP picture sensor that can produce a clearance detail picture. This camera also has a touchscreen LCD screen and a simple F setting. This camera is also complete with Wi-Fi to transfer your video or picture results. (4) Canon EOS M50. This camera has dual pixel f for a faster automatic and accurate focus. It also comes with 24,1 MP which can produce a high quality and detailed result. This amazing camera also complete with LCD touchscreen vari angle, Wi-Fi connection, NFC, and Bluetooth.